quick rice and peas and air fried jerk chicken. This one is a fast one, guys, so please watch to the end and drop me a comment. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And for my day one supporters, welcome. As I said, this is a fast one, instruction on the screen, and this is Vlogmas Day 13th. I'll catch you guys in Vlogmas Day 14, so do enjoy and drop me a comment at the end of the video, guys. So catch you at the end of the video or until Vlogmas Day 14th. So here we have completely cooked everything. Chicken tastes so good, guys. This chicken has been marinated 3 days and it was done in the air fryer, as you see. So I'm going to serve this with my jerk sauce. Yes, tastes really good. I think I have to do a detailed video on this one, but this one is a fast video. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.